This is an operational amplifier. It has two input and one output. One is inverting input, another one is non-inverting input, and two power supplies plus VCC minus VEE connected like this, and current will not flow in this inverting terminal and non-inverting terminal also. So in output side, current will flow because of the power supplies plus VCC and minus VEE. The current directions will be like this, inward and outward. So the output voltage will lies between plus VCC to minus VEE. The output voltage will not be increased beyond the plus VCC and minus VEE. So here we consider two node A and B. A is non-inverting node, that is plus input. B is inverting node, that is minus. And the operational amplifier accepts the input, that is difference between A and B. And the output voltage is very large number into A and A minus B. Very large number means gain. If suppose inverting is negative, sorry, non-inverting is negative means output also negative. If non-inverting is positive, then output also positive. So we know non-inverting means decreases means output also decreases, increases means output also increases. Here we have taken a feedback, negative feedback circuit and connecting two resistors, and one feedback resistor is connecting output and the inverting terminal, so that it is called as non-inverting, so that it is called as negative feedback. Here in this setup, if non-inverting is negative, then output also decreases and it goes negative side until the inverting voltage equal with the non-inverting voltage. See, I will show you like this. See, both are now equal. Until the non-inverting become equal, the output is reduces with respect to the input non-inverting negative voltage. See, we'll see the positive value now. If the non-inverting is positive, output also now become positive like this. This will increase until the inverting voltage equal with non-inverting positive supply like this. So because of the negative feedback, we are getting like this. So the difference between the two input terminals are very small. So output is the multiplication of that very small number and that very larger number. See, we consider now non-inverting is 0 volt, and similarly at the B node also 0 volt, because this is a ideal operational amplifier. Now input is given to the inverting terminal. If we apply the voltage, negative voltage, the current direction will be like this. If we apply positive, the current direction will be like this. And just observe output and input. When input decreases, output is increasing. When input increases, output is decreasing. And these two resistors currents are equal because the between the resistors voltage value is 0 we consider. So the currents through the resistor 1 and resistor 2 are equal. Suppose if I am taking in the output side, if I am taking a two resistor means resistance. If I am taking a larger resistance, then output voltage also drop also will increase for the small input voltage. Just observe, because it is inverting, that's why when R1 is positive, when input is positive, output is negative. When input is negative means output is positive. And current equal to V in divided by R1, and output voltage equal to minus output voltage equal to R2 into current, and finally output voltage equal to minus R2 by R1 into V in. R2 is here feedback resistance. So now if I am considering the input is given to the non-inverting side, then input negative means output also negative. Input positive means output also positive. See, both are directly proportional. And current equal to V in by R1, and V out equal to current into R1 plus R2. Finally 1 plus R2 by R1 into V in. R2 means here RF. Now we are taking a inverting summing with the three resistors connected in with the inverting terminal. If one of the resistor voltage or one of the input, if it increases, then parallelly the current also increase through that line, particular line. See, when input goes negative, output become positive. When input goes positive, output become negative. If all the currents are flowing, then through the feedback resistance is the total current of the three branch currents. See, through the feedback resistance, the current is flowing. No, that current is sum of these three input currents, I1, I2, I3. This we already seen in the inverting summing amplifier. So output voltage equal to minus of V input 1 plus